This is our system that we are going to design. HVA stands as Homicide Vector Analyzer. So, are you looking at this city map? There are some red pinpoints and some areas. So these areas shows the similar crime patterns. That's why this look like this. So if you look, this look like this. Moderate level risks, and it is like risking low. Suppose I will give you example. In this area, the house breaking is happening. So this area will become like this yellow mark. So we will know right now that it required a police post there should be deployed. So right now it is not showing the police. We haven't added. It is just UF by the way. And this. So suppose there is a report is filed from this location. This will look like this. So if any police is in the location, they can go there. So it is like having the big map that we see on movies of investigation movies, a control room they call it. And this is status. So what status do is it analyze the whole cities and current request of the crimes, and according to that it give the city a status. Like right now it is a moderate zone or moderate level or all other. So efficiently manage the police force. Here's the resources. Suppose you are the constable and you required a forensic department expert or any other department expert to find out some information. So here you can access the whole, uh, we can say system or organization data like cyber cell head and the forensic as we talked. And here comes the game changer, I can say. Suppose you catch a small criminal at the current location. So what you can do is, suppose one police officer catch the one chain snacker. He create his virtual profiles of a criminal profile. First of all, he will give its all other information and feed it to the our system like its height, his photo, his identical hands, or all other stuffs, and that we will feed to the LLM. So in the future, if he commits any crime, we can predict his behavior, like where he can go, where his hometown is, where his hometown is. So this is like this. So it is like having a third eye for criminals, isn't it? And this is rag logs. So as we know, the rag based system does have a context window length. So right now we should know what happening in a backend. So this is looking like this, initializing. So it is nothing but a logs of the rag logs. We should know what happening at the backend. That's the purpose of this rag. And this is the incident report. This is haven't fully finished, I mean finalized, but this will look like this something. If the you as police officer, you are at the crime location, you can instantly create a PDF file, or means not a PDF file but a data gather, like who was the criminal, how many proofs we have got till now, and whom as the first observer. I don't know what we call that. Okay, anyways, so this is what, and let me show you the backend code. Oh, hey, look, this is not our complete code. I'm again saying that. Means this is even not our code that going to look. In a final, we are going to use a Django's backend and React's frontend and JWT and all of the security stuff like encryption. So here we look. Here's the data we have gathered to online sources, statistical adjustment. So we can, what we are going to do is we are going to fetch the NIA IB reports to the our system. But right now the whole world is too big for us, so we are going to focus only on a one third of the area of Pune. That's, and what we will do, we will feed up this data and the statistical information to the 3D vector, and going to use the retrievers to retrieve it through the uh, multiple retrievers, we can say, because we are going to use the online data also. Means not too much data, just if we required some data and we are not finding it at the location, so we can do this, and with the link where it fetches from, so we can confirm the authenticity of that document. I hope you like our proposal. Signing off, Team Exarthonor.